Boost your home network with reliable coverage in every corner. The best Wi-Fi range extender Canada enhances signal strength, eliminates dead zones, and keeps multiple devices connected seamlessly. Enjoy faster streaming, smoother gaming, and consistent internet throughout your space. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. TP-Link AX3000 Wi-Fi Range Extender. The TP-Link AX3000 Wi-Fi Range Extender is a dependable solution for users looking to eliminate dead zones and achieve a more consistent wireless coverage throughout their home. Powered by Wi-Fi 6 technology, it delivers combined speeds of up to 3 gigabits, making it suitable for smooth 4K streaming, video calls, and everyday browsing across multiple devices. Its dual high-gain antennas with beamforming help direct signals where they're needed most, covering up to 2,400 square feet and supporting as many as 64 connected devices. The built-in gigabit Ethernet port adds flexibility by allowing wired connections for smart TVs, gaming consoles, or desktop PCs. Easy Mesh compatibility ensures seamless integration with compatible routers for whole home connectivity, while TP-Link's strong focus on cybersecurity adds peace of mind. Although it doesn't increase your base internet speed, it significantly improves signal reliability, making it a practical and well-balanced extender for modern households. Number 2. Eboous AX3000 Wi-Fi Range Extender. The Eboous AX3000 Wi-Fi range extender is designed for large homes that demand powerful and stable wireless coverage. With Wi-Fi 6 performance and dual-band speeds reaching up to 3,000 megabits per second, it handles bandwidth-heavy activities like 4K streaming, online gaming, and remote work with ease. Its multiple high-power omnidirectional antennas are built to penetrate walls and floors, providing wide-ranging coverage that extends from indoor spaces to outdoor areas. Setup is quick and beginner-friendly thanks to the WPS button, while multiple operating modes including repeater, access point, bridge, mesh, and router offer excellent flexibility for different network setups. Enhanced WPA3 security helps protect personal data and connected devices from potential threats. Overall, this extender is a strong choice for users who want fast speeds, broad coverage, and modern security features wrapped into one versatile networking device. Number 3. Cyseed 10,000 square foot Wi-Fi Range Extender. The Cyseed 10,000 square foot Wi-Fi range extender is built to provide consistent wireless coverage across large homes and multi-room environments. Equipped with 4 external antennas, it delivers strong signal penetration and helps eliminate common Wi-Fi dead zones, ensuring stable connectivity throughout the house. Its optimized processing performance allows it to handle everyday online tasks such as HD streaming, video calls, browsing, and casual gaming without frequent interruptions. Designed for wide compatibility, it works with most routers and supports connections for over 65 devices, making it suitable for busy households with multiple users. The one-tap WPS setup simplifies installation, even for users with minimal technical experience. Additional modes like repeater, access point, bridge, and router add flexibility, while the Ethernet port provides an option for faster wired connections. Overall, it's a practical extender for users who prioritize coverage, ease of use, and device support. Number 4. Laredas 3000 Mbps Wi-Fi Range Extender. The Laredas 3000 Mbps Wi-Fi range extender is engineered for users who need strong, uninterrupted connectivity across large residential or office spaces. With high-powered internal components and external antennas, it effectively penetrates walls and hard-to-reach areas, delivering reliable Wi-Fi coverage suitable for 4K and even 8K streaming. It supports dozens of connected devices simultaneously, making it ideal for smart homes filled with cameras, TVs, consoles, and mobile devices. The inclusion of an Ethernet port ensures stable wired performance for latency-sensitive devices like gaming systems or smart TVs.
Advanced WPA3 security provides enhanced protection against unauthorized access, adding an extra layer of confidence for personal and business use. Setup is quick through WPS or browser configuration, and easy mesh compatibility allows seamless network expansion. Overall, this extender is a solid option for users seeking coverage strength, security, and flexible installation.
Number 5. Fixcore 18899 square foot Wi-Fi range extender. The Fixcore 18899 square foot Wi-Fi range extender is designed to deliver wide area coverage and stable performance for large homes or multi-device environments. Featuring high-gain directional antennas with beamforming technology, it effectively strengthens signals and maintains reliable connectivity even through walls and floors. Its dual-band Wi-Fi 6 support provides fast speeds for gaming, streaming, video conferencing, and smart home applications, while the Gigabit Ethernet port ensures low-latency wired connections where needed. The extender supports multiple operating modes and is compatible with most standard routers, making it easy to integrate into existing networks. Setup is fast and user-friendly with a simple WPS button press, requiring no advanced technical knowledge. With support for a high number of connected devices, it's well-suited for busy households. Overall, the Fixcore extender offers a strong balance of coverage, speed, and ease of use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.